We were the last official convoy to leave England. And the night before, they decided to take down the blackout curtains because we kept vigilance because we didn't know if German submarines got the message. So there was a problem there. But the captain of the ship set off a Sandy Hook someplace, so that we can come up Hudson Bay the next morning. And as we came up now, our ship in Stockholm, POWs, amputees, all kinds of personnel that were not in the great, had seen a lot of combat. And as we're shouting, screaming, everybody jumping, and as we come up the Hudson River, we see a Statue of Liberty on the left on our port coming up. Just like that. Not a word. Quiet. You can hear a pin drop. Because anyone who could get up, be carried up, anyone who in any way could get to the railing was on deck. And then we saw that, give me a moment. We saw these statues that we knew we were home.